ating mga bisita sa tanghalan, sa ating panauhing pandangal, Miss Kimberly Benito, sa ating punong guro, Ma'am Cecil J. Pascual, at sa ating nanunuparang Kapitan, Emmanuel de Guzman, at sa ating pong mga bisita sa tanghalan para iabot ang kanilang medalya. Gayon din po ang mga magulang na mga batang pararangalan. Tatanggapin po nila ang mga medalya at sertipiko na handog ng Inaon Integrated School, Governor Daniel Fernando at St. Dominic Academy. Mga lalaki: Arenal Andre L., Conduct Awardee. Palakpakan po natin siya. Banag Yuan G. with honors. Best in Filipino, SELG Leadership Award, Conduct Awardee, BSP of the Year, and Silver Medalist Award from St. Dominic Academy. Palakpakan po natin si Don Yuan. Calderon RV Mike C. Conduct Awardee. Palakpakan po natin si RV. Kayobit Jacob G. with honors. Tatanggapin din po niya ang Yes All Leadership Award, Conduct Awardee, at Perfect Attendance. Congratulations! De La Cruz Cyrus M. Conduct Awardee. Garcia Alexander D. with honors and Conduct Awardee. Garcia Kiel Jacob C. Conduct Awardee. Garcia Kian Lee Y. with honors, Conduct Awardee. Palakpakan po natin ang mga bata ito. Congratulations, Gutierrez Kenji D. Conduct Awardee. Havalia Atron Giro L. with honors, Conduct Awardee, at Athlete of the Year. Palakpakan po natin. Lacson Cian Jacob R. with honors and conduct award. Manapat Bernard D. Conduct award. Manapat Ian Carl D. Conduct award. Congratulations, Merenciano Mark Clarence P. Conduct awardee. Nazario Brent James L. with honors, conduct awardee, and perfect attendance. Nicholas Herbert Jr. A. Conduct awardee. Sabalio Wesley Jean I. with honors and conduct awardee. Congratulations, Santiago Beans Cruz with honors, conduct awardee and athlete of the year.
Asan po cellphone mo na? Hindi, dyan na lang. Kinadali po ito eh. Hindi po? Opo,
congratulations din po kay Suarez Carl Joseph with honors, Best in Araling Panlipunan at Conduct awardee. Palakpakan po natin. Velarde Arkin Cedric L. Conduct awardee. Mga babae, Angeles Angel L. with honors, Best in TLE, Conduct awardee, and perfect attendance. Palakpakan po natin si Angel. Congratulations, RCO Althea Joy B. with honors, Girl Scout of the Year, and Conduct Awardee. Next ay RCO Ayesha M. with honors, Conduct Awardee, Perfect Attendance, at Journalist of the Year. Ngayon naman po ay ang batang may mataas na karangalan ay nakamit ni RCO Jillian Miley C. with high honors, Conduct Awardee, Leadership Award, Best in Science, Best in Mathematics, Best in English, Perfect Attendance, at nakakamit din po niya ang Gold Medalist Award from St. Dominic Academy. Palakpakan po natin ang batang may mataas na karangalan. Congratulations, Palos Chloe KT with honors, Conduct Awardee, and Perfect Attendance. Congratulations, Kaisip Jenaira P. with honors, Yes All Leadership Award, Conduct Awardee, Perfect Attendance, and Journalist of the Year. Cruz Cheska Shane S. with honors, Girl Scout of the Year, Conduct Awardee, and Journalist of the Year. Congratulations! Next, Cruz Kylie Zyriel M. with honors and Conduct Awardee. Kuchon Jonina C. with honors, GSP of the Year, Conduct Awardee, at Perfect Attendance. Congratulations, Dayok Gia Macy S. with Honors and Conduct Awardee. Tatanggapin din po niya ang Mother Francisca Award from St. Dominic Academy. Next, De La Cruz Lindsay Part F with Honors and Conduct Awardee. Congratulations kay Dimla Stephanie Rian S. with Honors and Conduct Awardee. Palakpakan po natin sila. Gabriel Micaela A. with Honors and Conduct Awardee. Next, Layub Alain C. with Honors and Conduct Awardee. Congratulations, Alain. Next, Manabat Rafael with Honors, Yes All Leadership Award, Girl Scout of the Year, Conduct Awardee, and Perfect Attendance. Palakpakan po natin si Rafa. Congratulations. Manuel Riza Gail M. with Honors, Girl Scout of the Year, Conduct Awardee, and Perfect Attendance. Palakpakan po natin si Riza Gail. Congratulations, Olpindo Jillian Eva D. with Honors and Conduct Awardee. Palakpakan po natin si Jillian. Payawal Rose Angel G. Conduct Awardee. Perfecto Ariana Jean G. with Honors, Conduct Awardee. Congratulations, Reyes Silgian Kelly D. with honors, conduct awardee, and perfect attendance. Palakpakan po natin ang mga batang ito. Congratulations, Santos Bea Eliza R. with honors, SELG Leadership Award and Conduct Awardee. Palakpakan po natin. Congratulations kay Chongson Azel Kyle M. with honors and conduct awardee. Binabati ko po ang aking mga mag-aaral sa Grade 6 Diamond. Congratulations and mabuhay.
Thank you, Ma'am Therese.